Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn AWS providing the 100% free AWS cloud training. This is the AWS Cloud Quest 2.0 and launches on August 11, 2026. Here you can get the 130 plus live AWS build, 170 plus architecture blueprint, 700 plus quizzes, 200 plus learning videos, AWS certification wages and tournaments and leaderboard. So we'll go through the step-by-step process on that. So AWS Cloud Quest 2.0 is coming on the August 11, 2026. So be ready for that. So AWS Amazon Web Services is launching an all-new version of AWS Cloud Quest on AWS Skill Builder. So bringing a complete rebuild or more impressive way to develop practical AWS cloud skills. AWS Cloud Quest 2.0 combines the 3D role-based learning, AI-powered customer conversation, architecture decision making, live AWS environment, hands-on builds, quizzes, videos, badges, tournaments, and interactive challenges into the one cloud learning experience. So key highlights is that this is very important when this is going to launch and launch date is 11 August 2026 and you can free to start. 9 role based learning path is there. So 9 main topics are there. 130 plus live AWS build, 170 plus architecture blueprint and 700 plus AWS quizzes, 200 plus learning videos, and official AWS wages. That one you can share with through the Credly and AWS skill profile. AWS Power Customer Conversation for the requirement gathering and decision making. Hands-on AWS environment for the building and validating solution. Replay completed hands-on lab including on the free tier and rebuild 3D city with the role-based Iceland, global asynchronous tournaments and leaderboards, new avatar customization and vehicle. No software installation is required, runs directly in your desktop browser. So this is the free foundational role is there. So cloud practitioner and generative AI practitioner available for the free with the AWS skill builder account. So other role based path included is the solution architect, security, networking, data analysis, machine learning, serverless developer, and generative AI architect. So completing all the assignment within a role can earn a official AWS wage and providing a shareable way to showcase practical solution building skill. AWS certification recertification is there. So eligible for the learners can also use the cloud practitioner recertification path to maintain their certification through curated training and hands-on labs. So official AWS Cloud Quest is 2.0. So this is the learning path. So we'll open this one and main important is this one. So launch is August 11, 2026. Platform AWS Skill Builder provided AWS Web Services. So let me open this path. So when we'll open this path, you will find this page. So learn the design to cloud solution, then build them for the real. So meet virtual customer or AI powered conversation, ask better question, uncover where they need, they design, build and validate the AWS solution. So this is the free to start 9 role based path, 130 plus live AWS build architecture blueprints is there 170 plus and AWS quizzes are 700 plus and learning by video are 200 plus. So an official AWS page as you go. So you'll go through the step-by-step process. So here in August 11, 2026 and 3 days, 11 hours, 40 minutes and some seconds to go. So just join this one. So learn the work behind a great cloud decision. So you can start with the right question, turn requirement into the right AWS solution. There is a build in the live AWS environment, earn wages the so what you build. So you will get a badge like this. So there is a 9 badges are there. Reinforce what you know. Complete to you are ready. Make your builder your own. A refreshed garage or vehicles. Explore a world built around your role and built for you. So coming back and just starting with the you are returning player, you can go with that. For the new cloud, you start from the zero. So choose your path. There is a 9 pages are there, one cloud carrier. So complete every assignment in the role on a official AWS wage. So shareable on Credly. Two roles are free. Explain any wages to see full quest line. So here you can see these are the free. So cloud practitioner. So view all the assignment. Start with the path skill builder and 10 assignment on the foundational, and you can start with this. So here you can start with here also, and you can click this one. These are the assignments. So you have to complete this one. So cloud computing essential. This is the first step, and these are the step by step. All processes are there. So start with the path with the skill builder. So AWS Cloud Quest, the cloud practitioner, you can sign up and enroll this. So details are there. So features 12 free hands-on assignment and other you can get with this on a wage. So access is free. So cloud essential and fundamental last updated on June 5th 2024. So this badge will get so on a wage. So there is a objective and others step by step you can go with this. So outline is this. So you first, so you have to complete all the things and last achievement is there. So here go to the Credly to claim your way. So certificate of completion, once you complete the training, you can view and download your PDF certification of completion. So you'll get a certificate of completion. Come back. So like that here also, and here you can see. So this one solution architect, and this is not free, and this is subscription is needed, and this is $29 per month, and this is for per year. So you will get a page like this. So we'll go through the step by step process. So how to earn this one and all the steps. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free AWS cloud training and all the steps I have shown you. So disclaimer is there, this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For any copyright concern, you can send me an mail on chiragmahto@gmail.com. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel path is given there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comment box. And don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.